What's up, Inspired fam? It's Sean here, and I'm going to start a series. We're going to do the ABC of balloons. And today we're going to start out with one of my crowd favorites. It is a alligator hat. And it takes about 4 to 6 balloons. You can do it in about 4 balloons once you get used to it. I usually use white for the eyes. If it's a mean alligator, I'll use yellow. But white usually, just really depends. But I mixed 2 different colors of shades of green. One for the top, one for the bottom. Check this out. We're going to have some fun with this. And it just starts off with 2 balloons. And you're just going to make 2 little bubbles on the top here. See if I can do this. Oh, my camera's out of adjustment. Let's see if we can get my hands better there. So 2 pinch twists, just like that. I'm going to slide these balloons back behind me, see if I can do it in my arms. So 2 pinch twists. And then it depends on, it doesn't really matter where you want to start. If you can do the back of the head or the front of the head. I'm going to start with the front. And you want to lock this pinch twist into here. So now you got the dark green locked into the light green. And then we're going to loop the light green over and lock the light green, if you can see that. I'm trying to figure out how this camera works. So, and then I'm going to hold it like that. And I'm going to spin. Oh. Alright, so now all we're going to do is make a spacer bubble, pinch twist, spacer bubble, pinch twist. And make your bubbles smaller than, so now we're just going to go a little bit bigger and we're going to wrap it up here. And so this is called a flat weave technique. And all you want to do is, so you're going to create that shape and it's going to alternate every other one on color, which is fine. But now you just want to rock it down, and as you go, just have it get fatter. I'm going to just repeat those steps that we did over and over. And you're just going to get wider and wider. And you could make this as the top of an alligator's head. I use this as a hat. This is an awesome hat design. It takes a little bit of time, but super fun, especially once you get the hang of it. So now we've got this nice flat panel, and then I'm going to take in, whoa, shot ya. Alright, so now we've got this. And so basically now what you want to do is you want to look and see right here, you got your light green here and your dark green. So you want to put your light green with your light green. So light green with light green, remember that. And then we're going to boom, boom, boom. Alright, and then we want a dark green. Oh, it stuck to me. Woohoo! Alright, so dark green, we're going to go dark green to dark green. And check it out. What I do, I'll grab the nozzle and pull it. And then I roll the balloon. My hands are all in the way. I roll the balloon. So I don't really twist. It's called balloon twisting, but I think of it more as balloon rolling. So then we're going to just keep going on this until you've got the size of the head that you want. Come up here, dark green on top, light green on bottom. Alright, and then boom, boom, boom. I lost my touch, I'm not fast at weaving anymore. Never really was. But this design is always a super big crowd favorite. Every time I've ever made it, people freak out. It's fun. Alright, so that's about as long as I'm going to go. And then, go ahead and really, if it's an adult, I'll go bigger. Depends on the crowd too. But go ahead and you want to leave a little bit on there because I'll show you. Just as a safety, what I do is I'll take and pull them back across and loop them in on both sides. and that gives it nice and secure. And so now if you're making a big alligator, this will work too. But so now we're going to take the yellow, find the back 2 pinch twist here, find one side, again grab your knot, and you're just going to roll, kind of using my fingers, and just roll that balloon right around. And then come up to this first gap here in this crease, and all you want to do is split these in half. Make sure they're even, and then come into this pinch twist back here in the back, and lock it back in place. And then get rid of that, stick it in your pocket for a scrap. So now you've got some eyes. Then, what I like to do to spice it up a little bit is go ahead and go in that back pinch twist again where you put the eyes, and then go up here and do a little top layer on the eyes. So you're creating that and this, and then you can take this situation here, straighten everything up, and then take this and figure out the kid's head size or the adult's head size and use it to loop around. And we've got this excess here, you can stretch it out, play with it, get it the right size you want. I think this will fit my head. I get some markers. I asked the kid, you want a mean alligator or a friendly alligator? And this works great for like Florida Gator games, any kind of sports team that has a gator. People wear these all day long. It protects them from the sun. Let's see. If you have somebody with a hat on, it's even better because it won't mess with them. And so now you got this sick gator hat. So anyway, that's the first day. We started with A. You guys keep me accountable, like for real. Let's make this happen, have some fun, and tomorrow we'll be back with B. I haven't decided what I'm going to make, but we'll be here. Anyway, have a great day, and peace out.